Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use AI Email Writer Draft Agent on Google Workspace. This powerful tool can help you generate professional email drafts automatically, saving you time and ensuring consistency in your business communications. Let's get started. First, open a web browser and navigate to admin.google.com. You'll need to sign in with your Google Workspace administrator account to access the settings we need. This is important because only administrators can install apps across the workspace. Once you're signed in, you'll land on the Admin Console homepage. Look for the 9-dot icon at the top of the screen and click on it. A drop-down menu will appear showing various Google Apps options. From this menu, select Gmail. This takes you to the Gmail-specific settings where you can manage integrations and add-ons. On the right side of your screen, you'll notice a plus button. Click on it, and you'll be redirected to the Google Workspace Marketplace. This is where you can browse and install various tools to enhance your workspace functionality. At the top of the pop-up window that appears, type in AI Email Writer Draft Agent for Google Workspace in the search bar and click on the result when it appears. This will bring up the app's details page where you can learn more about its features. Next, click Install or Authorize to begin the installation process. You'll need to grant the necessary permissions for the tool to work properly with your Gmail account. In the installation prompt that follows, carefully review and accept the required permissions and data access. These permissions allow the AI tool to read your emails and generate drafts on your behalf. Now open Gmail and locate the app's icon in the sidebar or toolbar. Click on it to start the setup process. You'll see an option that says Authenticate to Start or something similar. Click this button to connect your Gmail account to the AI tool and enable its functionality. In the configuration screen, you'll be able to customize how drafts are generated. You can choose whether you want to manually trigger draft creation from an email or enable auto-generation. Adjust any per-user settings to match your workflow preferences. Finally, test the tool by opening an email in your inbox. Use the AI Email Writer Draft Agent to generate a draft response, then review the suggested text. You can edit it as needed before sending, ensuring it meets your standards while still benefiting from the AI's efficiency. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.